Thank you.
Ebwambebi babahayo oba abantu batongoza omu butongore projekti y'amaizi agakozesibwa omu irwariro ryona ahamwe n'amaani g'izooba agarikwata irwariro ryona otaireho n'ebyoma ebirikureeberera abaana abarikuzaarwa batahikire n'ebindi bingi ebyamazireho sente zirikwingana miliyoni 200.
Tokwenda kuzaara ekizibu ky'okubanza kutunga ni okora atunge entambura yo kumutwara mu irwariro. Akiba yagize n'umugisha yatungire entambura yakira mu irwariro akishikayo ashanga bakibabaza nko kumushemeza amashanyarazi gagenda kibani kimanyisa ngo umuntu urayo nashemeza mu rwirogo naija kubata atakurebaje umucyariyo nakora.
Patrick Ford orikwebembera Kampala Springs yashoborera shonga habwenki ebabayire byona nibyetorora ahabyamagara g'omukazi hamwe na n'omwana.
Ngarotare ekintu kya matano and child health mwenu ebyamagara ebyabakazi hamwe n'abana kitwara mu kintu kikuru munongo. So nicyo kureba egi project treatment tukora hakabuhe health center for okukira ebintu bitwabaherize equipment ebintu byo gukoresha mu irwariro byona okukiro bwinje bingi nebikwatirine nebyamagara ebyabacara abinenda bakuzara hamwe n'abana babo.
What we have done will live for years because these water things, solar, they are the major things that affect hospitals because of euthanasia. You know what happens in Kitagata and what have you. So there are two major projects that really will have a very big impact to the health center.
Honorable Dickson Kateshumbwa umunyeshengera habwashema municipality yashobora kukitari cyo buringaniza omukazi kufara kuzara ahabo mukeno atiyo nko kusima ba Rotary ahabo kushagika government.
To find that a woman can die while trying to give birth to another life, it is really unacceptable. Ngomuntu yaremwa kuhora ambulance yo kumutwara at the next level. So that's why I'm grateful. Isima government konkasima na Rotary.
Honorable Kateshumbwa nashobora nagira ngu ebikrabwe baheire biyambere cyango akucendeze nshonga y'irwariro otaireho na nokutereze byo buhereza.
Rotary batwira mizi tanka za mizi harvesting mizi baro turugura mizi tunisora uyikora kandi bills z'amashanyarazi zicendire abo kujya nkarosora kandi namashanyarazi n'ubwa kugenda n'umuntu n'ubako bari mba mushemeza amashanyarazi yitugasora nigabagafuna.
Umuringo nugwo gumwe mukuru w'ebyamagaro mu municipality Dr. Holas Kizito yashobora ebahirwe na noko bahwereire aho rukiyana Karisa ori omwezi wa Meya nawe yashobora kunabonka bebembezi kibatira kasoka rungi.
Solar power for the whole hospital. Then yareta ibyuma byo kushemeza abantu birimo umwe bitara byo mu theater, oxygen concentrators, baby incubators, infant warmers, ibintu bikurebera ababiri. And the percentage is abantu bindi is about 300 mothers per month
being done at this facility. By the time we joined leadership, it was rare copy. But the far we have so far moved, so Honorable, we thank you so much.
Irwareri eryakabohe health center yakana nerhereza abantu abarkwingana omutwaro kandi ombwire buke omutindo gwaryo nugwija kwimukibwa.
Muka MP so kwija project zinkubanza kuzaho no kurabirware nitekateka ngo ryari yahwire ndakwa ryine mbazi kandi inohereza hati turiyo tugezaho kureba ngo ryafa nabashaho bakumara kandi nabwe twasaba government yongeze budget yari
Watayar West omurshema
birizi and I remember seeing this Kabul Health Center